In this, we will discuss dividing fractions. Here are some numerical problems, and then we will discuss word problems. Let's take this 12 over 25, and obviously it is divided by 4. And when there isn't any number in the denominator, we can just simply put 1 over there. And when we have 4 values, we can use it in this form: 12 times 1, 25 times 4. And if there is any cancellation, we can do that. 3 over 25. So this is that thing. Let's take some mixed numbers as well, mixed fractions as well. 1 and 1 by third, 1 and 1 by 3, divided by 2 and 2 by 5. Alright, so first of all is mixed fractions. We have to convert them into improper fractions. 3 times by 1 and then add up into 1. So again, we have to write this in this form: 4 divided by 3, and then again, so right here, we have to times 4 by 5 and 3 times 12. So again, we do have some cancellation over here. All right. Let's take the word problem. Mia cuts up a piece of wood 4.5 meters long into pieces measuring 3 by 4 meters long. How many pieces are there? So suppose it's a piece of wood of length 4.5 meters long, and we have to divide this into pieces of measuring 3 by 4 meters. So we have to check out how many pieces we get after dividing this 2 into this. 4.5 over 3 by 4. So first of all, we have to convert into improper fraction and then use the division. 9 times 4, 2 times 3, and here we get the answer that into 6 pieces we can easily divide this whole wooden piece. Let's check out one more example. A bottle contains 2 and 1 by 4 liters of water, and we have to convert them into glasses of 3 over 16 liter. So we have to check out how many glass can we fill in by using 2 and 1/4 liters of water. So again, we have to convert it into improper fraction first of all, and then we will use the division to check out the number of glasses. It's 9 over 4, and again we have to divide it by the liters that can fill in one glass. 9 times 16, and if there is any cancellation, we have to do that, and we get 12 glasses answer. Okay, so we can fill 12 glasses of 3 over 16 liter water. Okay, I think so it's quite simple and resemble with the previous one, so you can easily do it on your own. Let's move on towards another word problem that again implies the dividing fractions. Dylan's cow produces 21 and 1/3 liters of milk per day. The milk is put into bottles with a volume 2 and 1/3 liters. How many bottles does Dylan need each week to bottle all the milk? Okay, so we have to check out the number of bottles each week he gets of the milk. Okay, the cow produces this much per day. He converted them into this much liters of water, and we have to work on the number of bottles we get from that much 21 and 1/3 liters of milk. Alright, again we have to convert it into improper fraction. And then the number of liters that can be filled in into one bottle. So 1/3. Alright. 64 times with 3, 3 times with 7. Alright. You can easily cancel out these. We get 64 over 7. So you can check out that number of bottles that Dylan fills in each week. So 64 bottles in a week he fills in. Okay, that's the dividing fractions examples. I hope you understand it and work on them on